So yesterday we created the view spot we created. Then let us go with the controller. Let us try to do with the controllers now. After that we go into models. See, the routing engine in the MVC4 Internet Application template in Visual Studio includes two default routes, so that the project here is going to show for you default routes. The first route instructs the routing engine to ignore requests for .axt, AXD it is called as, resources such as script resource.axt and web resource.axt. These resources don't physically exist as files in the application, rather they are HTTP modules and load special content, images, scripts, CSS, etc. that are embedded in DLL files so that they can be sent to browser as part of the response. The second route is used to map requests to controllers and action methods. If you open the folder, here, the root config file, can you open root config there? Root config.cs file. So here you can find there are two things. One is what? Routes.ignore root resource.axt / pathinfo is there. So it is resource.axt / pathinfo. One more thing is here what? Rootmap.map routes.map root we have there. So we have in that routes.map root.
So where is that?
Okay. So here see, with the help of the routes.map root, you are routing a map. Actually, you are registering a default route in that. You are going to register a default route. To work correctly, the routes to be created when the application first starts, there should be a handler called application start in the global.asx.cs file. If you open the global.asx.cs file, there you find one handler. We call it as handler. The handler is what exactly? Application start. So the application start event handles call the static method register routes in the root config class located in app start folder. If you open app start folder, there you find a config class, actually root config class. So there you have register routes. With the help of register routes only we are going to do that. So the application start, can you open once? Just open application start folder. So if you open application start folder, here you have webconfig.register, filter config.register, root config.register routes, and root config.bundle config.register bundles. Like this you have here. If you go to root config.register routes, you are going to register routes in this. So that how you are doing with the help of this register routes method, we are going to do it. It's part of which class? It is part of actually root config class. In that you have a register routes method. This you are calling from the HTTP handler, that is application start, which is part of the global.asx file. So there it is available. With the help of that, the default route is available for us here. We have a default route available there with that.
Okay.
See, the root definition is done by the map root extension method in the root collection class. The root definition contains the root name as the first parameter, the root pattern as the second parameter, and the default values for the elements in the root pattern as the third parameter. We have total three things in that, three parameters. First thing is what exactly? The root name. Second thing is root pattern. Third one is going to be here for you, the default values for the elements in the root pattern. If you open that root config file, there you can find in the register roots method what is available. See, you have first of all a controller name, then you have their action name followed by the values. This is the pattern we have, a controller pattern, and this is the name default followed by URL is controller slash action slash ID. Like this you have totally three parameters. You have total three parameters in that. So here name is what? Default. Root name is going to be default in that. Now URL is exactly what? Controller slash action slash ID. Then default values you have taken there. Default values are going to be new followed by controller equal to home, action equal to contact, and ID equal to URL parameter dot optional. If you want to pass that, you can pass, otherwise you can omit it. Like that we have taken. In the map root you have total three different things. First one is name, second thing is URL pattern, third one is going to be here default values. Name is here default root. So URL is going to be controller slash action slash ID. Then third one is what there exactly? Defaults, then new controller, home, then action equal to contact, ID equal to URL parameter dot optional. So here you can change. If you want to go with another controller, the controller name you can change in this. Seeing once over here. Roots map dot map root is having three parameters. First one is what? Name, second thing is URL, third one is going to be defaults. So how URL is going to be? Controller name followed by action name, and third one is what? Their ID. If you want to pass any parameters, you can pass there.
Okay, yeah.
If you want to pass any ID values, you can be passing in that. Like that you have the map root. So the root pattern identifies the controller name with the controller placeholder property. The action placeholder property defines the action method in the controller class that will be executed, and the additional third parameter indicates some kind of information that will be used by the method. HTTP request does not include the word controller, even though the controller class for the naming convention does use it. For example, with an HTTP request, you never get controller there. Just try to render what do you get in the URL. Try to run that. In the URL, what do you get? See,
the contact page here, this one.
okay, click on the home. Click on the home. How do you get? See now, what are you getting in that? You have local host, you have home, you have index. You don't have anything like home controller. Are you having anything like home controller?
No. Yeah.
Though the name is having a suffix controller, home controller is there. But when you switch over from one view to another view, you get there the controller name followed by just the method name, and if you pass any default values, they are available there. But here nowhere you have controller. The HTTP request does not know anything about the controller there. It's just using the name of the controller, but after that you have normally a controller name, home controller, default controller. So the controller is omitted, only you get the name there, like home or default. You see the address bar? You go to the address bar, localhost 50354, home index you have seen. Go to address bar, there you can see. Are you having anywhere home controller? The full name is not available there. It's not home controller. Only home is coming there. There is no home controller. Correct?
Yeah.
But how that we define in the how we have defined that in the controller, like home controller we define. Can you go to the project explorer? No, just go to the solution explorer in the right side. See there how that is defined. You have the name as home controller. See, under controllers folder, you have a file called home controller.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
That is home controller, but now it's not appearing for us there as home controller, but we get only home. Correct?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Like that, it's coming there for us.
Okay. Okay.
Next, see here, the action method in the controller class can have parameters. These parameters are matched to values in the request. For example, you can make a request such as http:// my application followed by product/product. My application is nothing but controller. Product is going to be action there, and you find their details. Details $ID equal to 1, like that you can put there. See there. You can put like this, my app/product. So that can be controller, followed by details is going to be the method there or action, and ID equal to 1 you put. ID is going to be here parameter. You can pass the value into that. So here what is happening, therefore the product controller class is going to execute the details action method, and the action method accepts a parameter named ID and will be filled with the value from the request. So like that it's going to be working for you. The default parameter supplies default values for the placeholders in the URL pattern. This allows the user a lot of flexibility in how they specify URLs in the browser. So like this here, we are going to call a method, you are going to call a particular controller's method. Method is nothing but here action, a controller's action with the values also.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So now let us try to create the controllers. Sometimes even you may have errors also. Sometimes even you have errors, even errors can be configured. Error configuration is also very important in that. So here error page we need to configure. We do that. Now next thing is here we have to go with the controller. We need to create a controller. Okay, so whenever you take any controller, whenever we go with controllers, so when creating controllers in ASP.NET the name of the controller classes has the form, controller name, this is followed by controller. Home is a controller name, controller you have there.
Yeah.
Okay, so the controller class actually inherits from the system.web.mvc namespace. So it is going to come from the system.web.mvc namespace. So predefined controller is going to coming into scenario for us. It's nothing but a inheritance factor. You see on the top, here in the left side you can see public class home controller controller you have. See, go to the left side window. In this code, the editor, how it is written there, home controller controller. So from where it is coming? From the controller class it's getting inherited. Correct?
Yeah, that's right.
So it's part of the system.web.mvc. You are getting it from the system.web.mvc. So from the system namespace, from web namespace, from MVC namespace you get it. So public class home controller controller. So we inherit controller class into home controller. So in the home controller you have these methods: index method, about method and contact method. There are 3 methods available for us. So these can be called as here actions. Controller name is what here, home controller, and these are going to be actions for us. An index action, an about action, and one more thing is what here, contact action. All of they did not have always the views. Few actions may not have any views. Sometimes some actions may not have views. Only few can be having views. It need not be that all actions have to have the views. All actions may not be returning views there. So whenever you have like this, public action result index, in such case only you are going to get the view there. Normally it can be returning view. So let me show you here. So the controller based class gives us classes the functionality to handle request and ability to create action methods. So you have different types of action methods in this. See these action methods, they are going to be returning action result object. We have different types of action result objects such as views, files, a redirection to another route and so forth. So here the action result object represents a command that the framework will perform on behalf of the action requested by the user. The action result class is the base class for all specific implementations of action results. So we have different types of action results. When you look at the code, you can find here action result. You look at the index. What index is going to be returning for us? It's going to be returning us action result object. Correct, Mansoor here?
Yes, that's right.
You find here with index, with about and with contact, it is going to return a object called as action result object. It is returning for us action result object. See, returning view, return view, return view, like that you have. It is returning actually action result object. Okay, so you have different types of action result objects. The first one is called as view result. The view result object returns a view to render HTML in the browser. This is the most common action result. So you have here one action result object. So the action result object can be returning a view result for us. Sometimes it can be returning a view result for us. Okay, similarly, you have one more type of object related to action result, that is called as partial view result. It is similar to view result, but it returns a partial view. It is not going to return full view, it's going to be returning only partial view. So what is partial view we discuss later on, but it is going to return even a partial view result. This can be interview question. In the interview, when you face interview, probably they ask questions like this. So what is action result object? What are the different types of action result types? So one is what here? View result. A action can be returning a view result. So that is nothing but action result. A view can return, an action can return partial view result. It is similar to view result, but returns a partial view. And one more thing is what here? Content result. It used to return any type of content. By default, it's used to return plain text, but the actual content can be explicitly defined by text oblique XML. So the text data or XML data we can render with the help of the content result. Then you have empty result. This is the equivalent method of void method. It's by definition an action result object, but it does nothing. Sometimes even you can define methods. So those methods, what they do exactly? They don't return anything. That is called as, again, empty result. It's as good as actually void method. You can put empty result, it's as good as a void method. One more thing, you have a file result. In the case of file result, when you want to download a binary content file, you use the file result as action result. Okay, then one more thing is going to be HTTP unauthorized action result. So that is going to be returning here an HTTP unauthorized object, HTTP unauthorized result object when the request tries to access restricted content. That, for example, if it is not available to anonymous users, the browser is then redirected to the login page. So this is going to be returning in such cases HTTP unauthorized action, unauthorized result. One more thing is going to be JavaScript result. It is going to be returning JavaScript code. One more is here JSON result. The JSON result is going to return an object in JavaScript object notation called a JSON format. One other one is going to be redirect result, which is going to perform in HTTP redirect to another URL. Okay, so it is called as redirect result. So in such case, what happens? It may be returning 302 or 301 used to perform a HTTP redirect to another URL. You can define it as a temporary or permanent. Then similarly, we have there redirect to root result. This used to perform an HTTP redirect, but to a specific route rather than a URL. In the case of redirect result, you can use a URL, but in the case of redirect to root result, you can go with a specific route. So these are going to be different types of action results. These are going to be different types of action results. So what is action exactly? A method in the controller can be called as a action. Index is an action, about is an action, contact is an action. So they are nothing but mere C# methods. Understood, Mansoor?
Yeah, so you said JSON. What is that for?
JSON is JavaScript object notation.
Okay.
JSON is actually JavaScript object notation. So in the SQL Server 2016, they are going to use heavily JSON.
Okay.
SQL Server 2016 has come into market. I mean, you can download that.
It is in the market right now?
Market in the sense you can download from Microsoft site 2016 SQL Server.
Oh, okay.
So few company people they
Okay.
have started using it.
Oh, okay.
They are
Okay.
using very much JSON. JSON is used widely actually. Widely JSON is used. Now we do with the JSON also. JSON and jQuery we do with the MVC. Both of them we
Okay.
do JSON as well as jQuery. JavaScript we use in this. So first of all,
Okay.
these are nothing but actions. You have different actions here. So index is an
Okay.
action, about is an action, contact is an action. But what is the action result there? It is going to be view is a action result. What are the different types of action results we have there? A view result, partial view result, content result, empty result, file result, HTTP unauthorized result, then similarly JavaScript result, JSON result, redirect root result. So these are going to be different types of results.
Okay.
So the action result can be returning any of those. I'm just typing in the chart window what are those different things. So one is what here, it is going to be view result. It's one of the action result types. These are nothing but action result types. The second thing is here partial view result. This another type of result. It is going to be here partial view result. This can be some another type there. It is called as partial view result. Then one more is going to be here content result. So it's going to be returning as the content. So content
Okay.
result. So it can send you some kind of text normally. It can be sending text, but it can send text as well as XML. Sometimes you get empty result. Empty result is as good as a void. You can take empty result. Empty result is going to be as good as actually void that is. Similarly, you find file result. This can be returning the binary file content. If you look at the file result, this is going to be returning the binary file content. Next, other thing is going to be HTTP unauthorized result. In the case of HTTP unauthorized result, whenever it can't, whenever you should not be accessing some location, so you don't have access to access some resources. So in such cases, it is going to be redirecting to login page. In such cases, we use HTTP unauthorized result.
Okay.
Similarly, we
Okay.
have one more type of thing, JavaScript result. This is going to be returning JavaScript. It's called as JavaScript result. It is going to be returning JavaScript result there. Similarly, we have JSON result. So JSON result is going to be returning a JSON object. JavaScript object is going to be returning. Okay.
Okay.
And redirect result you have. In the case of redirect result, it is going to be redirecting to some URL. It can be redirecting to some URL in that. It's going to return to URL. So that is called as redirect result. So you can pass a URL in this. But whenever you take the redirect to root result, this is going to be with this will be with the root only. It's not with the URL, but with the root. Difference is what between URL and root. In the case of root, you have a server name followed by the controller name, then you have the view name, sorry, with the action name you have there. With the help of that, you can be redirecting normally with the root. But when you take URL, straight away you can specify the resource. You have URL, and one more thing is what their root. There are two things. One is URL, other one is going to be root. So with the help of the redirect here result, what happens with that? We can go to a URL, whereas with the help of redirect to root result, we can specify their root instead of specifying their a URL. Got
Okay.
Mansoor the differences?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So all these one we use in the controller same file
Yes.
here.
So they are nothing but action result objects. They are called as action
Okay.
result
Yeah.
objects.
Action. Okay. Action result objects. Yeah.
So they can be called as action result objects like that we do. Okay. So we try to do like this now. So here second thing is going to be, in the second one, we try to work with the partial view result. Let us try to do with the partial view result in this. Just 1 minute, Mansur.
Yeah, no problem. That's fine.
Hello, Mansur.
Yes. Hi.
So, yes, let us try to do now in this. Okay, what I was saying. Okay, first of all, let us try to work with the file result. We try to work with the file result.
Okay.
So, what you do there, you create one folder called as uploads folder.
In the home?
It is
Yeah.
no in the content folder. In the content folder, try to put it. You have a content folder? Yes. Try
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
select in that. Right click, add new folder. Call it as uploads. Make it as uploads. So there try to put few JPG files.
Put some JPG files.
Yes, some JPG file you try to put.
Okay. JPG 1, 2.
Yeah, like that 1, 2, 3 only you try to give the JPG file names or put these things. Copy these files all files you can copy.
Okay.
Except New Delhi, you have a space in between New and Delhi space. Except that either you have a space. Except that others you can copy.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And paste in the content folder.
Yes.
So these are the files available to you. Now you have
Yeah.
to download this file. You should be downloading this file. Therefore, what you do, try to make here, try to make this here as in the home controller itself, try to define public file result.
Sorry. Where you said?
You define that with the, you define as one of the methods in the controller. In the home controller itself, try to define.
Okay.
In the home controller itself, try to define the method. Method name is what exactly? Public file result download picture.
Public.
Download picture you have there.
Download picture, right?
Yes, download picture. No, public file. What is the type of? I mean, action result is what there in that. We need to put action result.
Action result.
Action result is going to be file result there. Public
Yeah.
file result you put there.
File result. Okay.
Yes, file result. After that, give it as download file. Capital D you take. Download file. Now start the bracket. Start and close bracket there. Simply start and close bracket.
Yeah.
Okay. Inside that, try to put some code. I'm typing some code. Try to put this code. From my application, I'm giving you.
Okay.
This code inside the method you must put. I'm putting in the chart window.
Okay.
So inside that download file, try to put that.
Okay.
The file result object is expecting here 3 parameters. First one is what exactly? The picture. Second thing is going to be here content type. Third one is file name. The three things are required in that.
Okay. Okay. So it's a upload the file?
No, it's not uploading, it's downloading a file.
Oh, downloading. Okay.
We download the picture there.
Okay.
So here write in the, this is download file you have written, that is fine. Now in this, try to go with one more view, try to create another view in this. Right there, public action result, followed by, put this as file download. Don't put any space, file download. Put file download. So here just write, what do you write here? Return view. Just write return view. Return view. Start and close bracket, semicolon. Now go to the views folder. There you create a file download view. Where do you create? Under home controller. Yes, create a new view.
Download, you said download file?
Yes, whatever name you gave there in the action, same name you require.
Download, okay.
So what you gave in the controller, in the home controller, what name you gave there? File download, not download file. File download, I think that is. The view, just now you created
okay.
action file download.
We need to check this, use layout master page.
Are we using with everything master page in this?
Master page.
Are we using any master page concept? Click on add any.
Yeah.
Have anything, try to add.
Okay.
So now in this, you have to download, you have to provide a link for the downloading. So for that purpose, you put there @
Here?
yes, @ followed by That is, write HTML dot action link. Action link you have there.
It's not coming.
It comes at the rate symbol. At the rate symbol have you kept?
Yeah.
No, not right. Why you are writing right? It's not right. At the rate HTML dot, right, action link, right,
Okay,
action
action.
link, followed by, you need to specify here, first of all, download the, okay, download the file, right there, download file, start the bracket, after that, in double quotes, first write, no, in the double quotes, download paris.jpg, Paris image, space you give, download, give a space, Paris image, give a space, put Paris image, okay. After the double quote, put a comma, after double quote, put a comma, here you must write the action name. What is the name of the action? This must be
Uh,
download, what is the action you are using? Download file, I think.
yeah, download file. Yeah.
So just show me the link where it is. Show me link. Show me the file. What is that file exactly? Just go up. It is home controller. In the home controller, you find the home controller. You take there. You can find on the top. You have see download file. Not that, the above one.
Oh,
That
okay,
link
this
you
one.
find for us. Download file. Now come to that. Put there. Go to the view here. File download.cshtml. File download.cshtml. Yes, you put there. In the double quotes, you have to put even this one. In the double quotes,
Download file.
in the double quotes. Yes.
Okay.
At the end, you put semicolon. At the end. Okay. Now what you do? Go to the layout. In the layout, also try to have a link there. Go to the layout.cshtml. Open that. Try to put a link in this. Take last one li. Last one you take. Then at the rate HTML dot action link. In the brackets, what it is exactly? What is the name you have there? It should be, yes, download file. Double quotes, not download file. It's caption. You have to put some text here. Link text you have to put there. Put some text, not download file. Put here Paris image.
Paris image.
Paris image. Yes, Paris image. Paris image. Give a space between Paris and image.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Delete the download file. Then after that put comma. Now here it is file download. Action name is what? File download. Okay. After that put comma. Then what do you write in this? Again double quotes. The controller name. What is the controller?
Download file.
No. Controller. I am talking about controller. Home controller. It's a home controller or not?
It's a home control. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, it's a home controller.
Home
Sorry. Yeah, on top. Home control.
At the end, you close bracket. After home, after double quotes, close it. Yes. Now save it. Try to run the stuff.
Okay. I just run it.
Okay, coming to this one, the browser, you got it. Paris image, click on that. Now download Paris image, click on that. What it says here?
Upload file. Cannot find the file. This file is, it's the Paris is missing here.
Yes.
With that JPG.
Paris is missing there. So come to the code there. Come to the code. In the code you must specify now. You must specify there. Here. Fine. What you must do, where is the link? It's not here. You go to the view. The view is what exactly? File download.cshtml. Open the view. So here you specified download file, followed by put a slash. Download file we specify here. Okay, no, delete that. Delete the slash. You delete the slash there. After that, put one more comma. After double quotes, put comma. Then in the double quotes, you put here. Try to write it as Paris. Write Paris. Close it. Now try to run this time. You get it.
Paris file download URL.
Okay, something is wrong here. Just a minute. Download file, Paris.
I write a JPG at that?
Just no, JPG is not required. Automatically, it should come for you. So can you go to the download action? Go to download action. What is written in the C? Download action.
Download action?
Yes.
Yeah.
That is exactly the home controller. You find home controller. So this is exactly what you have given it as. File name equal to, you gave like .jpg. The name is missing here. ID is missing. Because of that, you have a problem in that. So name plus .jpg we have taken. Because of that, you are not getting it. Just a minute. What I have done in that? So here, go to the, say where exactly, you come to the file download.cshtml, come to file download.cshtml, the view. So in this, what you do here, try to write, you just put new there, delete that, delete the Paris totally, whatever you have in the double quotes, delete that totally, try to specify there, new, you try to write new. In the curly braces, start curly braces, write there ID equal to,
what is that?
ID
okay.
Equal to, write it as Paris. You put Paris. In the double quotes, you put Paris.
The double quote? Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now try to run this, and once again come to the which file this is? You come to the controller, home controller, come to home controller. Okay, in this, yes, this is the ID we have taken. Okay, now come to the, now try to run this. Just click on that.
Says yeah.
Just save it.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
time
I
see, you
just
have so
opened.
many files here. You have so many files, but how to display all those files there? That is important. Here you have number of files, not just one file. You have so many files. How do you display all those files?
With the for loop?
Yes, with for loop you have to set it.
Yeah.
With help of
With
for
the
loop there. Take a for loop, with the help of that you write there.
so all these files with the for loops, we can run the for loop from first file to last file.
No. I mean, how you get with for loop? Because they are available with the which folder? They are available from the content folder for
Upload.
us. So
Yeah.
content
Okay.
folder they are available. One by one you have to take and you have to assign in that. Correct? So how you get them? The challenge with us is here, they are available from the uploads folder. Okay, so one by one, you must get the file names. From there, you have to retrieve all those.
Okay.
So how you get all those file names? First of all, come to the which one? You come to the not download file, into the view. You come to the view. Yes. So here in this, before you come to this, try to create a razor sharp code block. On the top, first of all, declare some variables on the top. Not that, not var. Don't declare with var. This time try to declare with the string array. String string. Start and close brackets, array. This is spare brackets. How do you declare array? Give a space, then write files. After the spare bracket, you put their files. Give a space and write files.
Yeah. Sorry, which file? I mean, file.
Just files. Just declare string array. That's all. Files you write. Right here, files equal to. Right there, files equal to. Here, write system.io. This is right. System.io dot directory IO, capital I and O.
Okay.
Dot directory dot get files in the brackets. Right there in the brackets, server dot map path. In the brackets you put a tilde. Start the bracket. Now inside the brackets, after map path is a method. So within that, keep double quotes, put tilde. Tilde you put inside that. Put tilde. Okay. After the bracket, put a plus. Put there plus. Then put here double quotes. Double quotes you put in that, right? What is the folder exactly? You have images in that. What was the folder?
Upload folders.
No. Before that, content folder, anything like that you had.
That's your upload
Content folder. In the content folder you have uploads. See on the top.
Content. First. Okay.
Take their content in that. In double quotes first put content. then slash you put slash, then write here uploads.
Okay.
Uploads. After double quotes, what you write there, comma you put. In the double quotes again write star.jpg. Star double quotes. No. Star.jpg. You put star after the before dot. Star symbol you put. Before dot, come back. Yes, come back one more step. Put star. Put a star there. Star you type. Right. Dot.
Oh, start. Yeah, I got it.
No. After double quotes, you put a comma. Remove the space, star there. Comma you put. Not comma. See, 1 minute. It's not like that. Fine. That's correct. Okay. Now put double quotes. Put inside that star dot jpg. At the end put a semicolon.
Yeah.
Yes. You are going to get actually all JPG files from that. Now here,
Okay.
in the file download, after this, take a for loop inside. After the file download, you come to this one. After this
Fine.
file download,
Yeah, file download. Yeah.
where it is? No. Here in the same code I am saying, in the same view, file download CSHTML file. In the current page only, wherever you are working, you need to write here the code. After that, yes, after the file download, okay, you comment this line, the HTML action link you comment. You comment that. So put a div in that now. Close the comment. But see, you need to remove the ending comment there, then you can, yes, come to the next line. Here write a div. Less than div you write. Div. Yes, inside that you must be writing code. What code you write in that? Write @ for each. @ for each. In the brackets, string str, right? String str, right? No, small s you take. String str, small s str in
Yeah.
files. Give a space. In files you write. In files. Yes. After that, start a curly brace. Start a curly brace.
Yes.
Okay, now inside this you must create the action link. Right there @ HTML.ActionLink. HTML.ActionLink. Start the bracket. After action link, you must start a bracket. So here you should be putting the str name there, right? Str dot substring, str dot substring, right? In the brackets, start the bracket. One more bracket you start. Inside that, str dot last index of put last index of. Okay, then here start the bracket again. In the double quotes put // the other slashes put other slashes. Yes, after this double quotes, after the bracket, after that bracket, +1 you write, +1, Okay, 1 1, where is 1? Plus 1, just like that. Then after that, so put there one comma now here.
After one?
Put comma. No, after one, after the bracket you put comma.
Okay.
Now here you must be writing the name there. So what is the name of that? We try to put the right there. Download file you write. In the string, like string you have to put it. String means double quotes you have to write. Download file. Download, give a space, file. Don't put any space between them. Just put download file.
Oh, okay.
Action name that is.
Download. Yeah. I got it. Yes.
So how the action in the same manner you have to put it. Download file. Then after that put comma. After that put comma. After that, no, not there. After double quotes.
Oh.
Put comma. Then write new. So here write in the brackets. Take bracket. Start the, no, not like that. What you have written on the top, curly braces you have written or not? You have written curly braces, right? Curly braces on the top you have see, you can see there how you have written download Paris image, download file you have written or not?
Oh yes.
Manner, right? Give a space, then ID equal to, this time you must be getting the file name dynamically. So here, whatever you have written after action link, str.substring you have taken C, copy this one here, @HTML action link str.substring you have written C. No, not HTML link, only str. From str you need to take. str.substring you have C. No, str.substring.
Yeah, this one.
That one. Take it till last plus 1 up to that bracket you take. Copy. Okay. Then here put there. Right after that, right after this bracket put dot. Put dot. Not comma, dot.
Sorry.
No, I mean, why you are giving space there? Don't give any space there. Dot you put right here. It is going to be left you write. Left. Put there left, left. Not padding left. You don't have anything like left, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. We can't have anything like left. So what you do in this is, pad left you cannot use, therefore left side, how you retrieve the characters if you want to get from left side. Can you remove in the backward direction? Yes, delete, put dot once again, type dot. Okay, you cannot have anything like once again what you do, write what you write here again, substring you put, once again you put substring, but it cannot work for you. No, it can't work like that.
Substring we have.
Yeah, substring you cannot take like that. Fine, take substring.
Okay.
Start the bracket, start 0,
Zero
you type, then comma, once again just paste it, control V you say, control V. Okay, then after that write -4, you put there -4, then close the bracket. Yes, that's all. Is it giving any error? Just see now. You have error. Substring.
Local variable. String.
Yes, 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 that is fine. Plus 1 you have taken. So minus 4 we have taken, that is okay. Substring. Okay, at the end one more bracket you put one more bracket at the end, put another bracket at the end. So here see, after this you put length. Before minus 4 put a length there. Before minus 4 put dot length. Dot length. Length. Yes. Minus 4. At the end remove one
Minus
bracket.
of.
No, fine. Everything is fine it seems. At the end you remove one
Okay.
bracket.
Remove one bracket. Yeah.
Now it's working fine. But still it gives error. Put
Uh,
bracket now. At the end you put again bracket.
okay.
Now come outside.
Yeah, it's 1 second. This one, this is for this. Yeah, this is for this.
Try to add one more bracket at the end.
Here.
Yes. Now see.
Yeah.
Still
Yeah.
it's giving error here. How
My
many?
brackets.
1 minute. You have to close curly brace. Curly brace you have to close first of all. Okay. After this one, you have to close curly brace.
Where is the curly brace?
Yes, see.
Looking.
Yes, come to the end. Come to the
Yeah.
end. In the place of, from last second bracket you remove. From last second bracket you remove. Yes.
This one.
That one you remove. Put curly brace. Yes. Put another bracket now in that.
And
Yes, one more bracket. No, curly brace you have to put. Curly brace is required. Closing curly brace. Yes, after that put one more bracket now. No, this is giving problem still. Somewhere something you are missing. Can you copy and paste that to me in the chart window? I'll clear and give you.
okay. Okay. Yeah. It's I will check the brackets. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 is here.
The brackets are not matching exactly because of that. We have a problem in that. Just check this. This can work, I think.
Which one? Sorry.
Just like copied and pasted back.
Yes. This one.
So here, no. But you not like that. It cannot work. How it works totally? Do control Z. You do control Z.
Control.
You undo that. Undo. Okay.
Yeah.
Here you have two see before curly brace you have two brackets. Remove one of the brackets from there. Before curly brace, closing curly brace, you have two brackets. Remove one of the brackets. Remove that. Yes. At the end now put another bracket. Now click outside.
Yeah.
Still you have problem in that. There is a problem. The brackets it is. Move a little bit right side. Can you close the solution explorer? Close solution explorer. Solution explorer.
This one.
Yes, that one. Okay. So what is happening in this? We've taken length minus 4. The curly brace we have taken with mu. It's all fine. Then after that, at the end also try to have only one bracket. Instead of putting second bracket, just put only one bracket at the end also. At the end also try to put only one bracket. Yes. Now click outside.
Yeah, now
Correct
it's
now.
fine.
Okay, so like this we try to put it. Just try to render now this one. Paris image.
Yeah. Yeah, all images are there.
All images are coming. Click on the Toronto. What happens in that? Click on Toronto.
Yeah, it's there.
Is it coming Toronto image?
Yes.
So you try to click something else. What image comes? See.
Like
Mumbai. Click on the
Bombay.
Mumbai.
Yeah, Bombay is there.
Mumbai image coming. Okay, close that. But try to put them with the BR. Try to use BR tag. Try to put in different lines all this.
So close it.
Yes, all these are coming like this here. Try to put them in different lines. They are coming in the same line. Instead of showing in the same line, try to put in different lines. After this, try to put a BR tag here. After HTML action link, try to put a BR tag. No, BR tag. Just put BR tag in that.
After div, you said?
No, after this link here, HTML action link, try to put BR. BR means break.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I got it.
That one. Yes. Try to render.
Okay, yeah.
Showing
Yeah,
like this.
that's like that.
Okay.
Yes.
So when you click on the Dubai, now what happens? See.
That's coming.
Showing Dubai image.
Yes.
So where is the tallest building in this? Can you show tallest building from this?
Tallest building?
In Dubai,
Burj Khalifa?
the tallest building is in Dubai. People say, where is that? Can we see from here?
I think this image is from I think Australia, but I put a wrong name, Dubai.
Okay. Just I'm saying. Because you
Yeah,
can't find
it's not.
greenery in Dubai. There is no greenery in Dubai.
Yeah, that's right. You're right. Because if this is no greenery here, so and these that building I think this one here I
Yes.
think is in Australia. This one like a harbor. This is the harbor here.
Yes. Had you been to
Yeah, I
Australia
think this is
anytime?
Australia.
Also? Had you been to
Sorry?
Australia?
No, I've never been there.
Okay.
But I saw that this type of image many times. So I think this is Australia.
What are the countries, different countries you visited?
Saudi Arab. I spent 12 years.
Yes.
Pakistan, US, England, and Canada.
Okay, these countries. How good is
Yeah.
England? I mean, when you compare England and Canada, which one is better?
Oh, yeah, Canada is best.
Yes. In England, there is a place called as Wales. You might be knowing about it.
Yes. Yeah. Wales. Yeah,
In
Wales.
Wales country, people do not have any work. So every morning, what they do, by something like 9:30, they go to park. Till evening, they spend their time in the park, and evening they come back and sleep.
Oh, really?
The position is like that. They are looking for work, but nobody is there to provide any work. But government is giving them some kind of, I mean, I think some
Sport?
allowances they are giving. Whether they are surviving, it seems there is no work for them to
Oh,
do.
oh,
Even world is
oh, right.
becoming like that day by day, since machines are automating everything. So people don't find any work. In fact, after some time.
Oh,
When you don't have work,
yeah.
even it's a punishment for mind also. What to do? Also, what to do? You are in a confusion.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, psychological, you are upset
Yes.
because
Psychologically,
you have no work.
psychology is not okay. Then we behave irrationally.
Yeah, that's right.
That's why even if you don't find plenty money when you have work, you look healthy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But when you don't have work, but when you have plenty of money, then you become psychologically ill. So because of that, people do many bad things.
Yeah, yeah,
See,
yeah.
take countries like India. There is a lot of population. If you go to markets these days, you don't find vegetables. The reason is
Oh, really?
there is not demand for fruit. I mean vegetables. There is demand for vegetables, but people they are not producing that. Reason,
Why?
if you do agriculture, if you do cultivation, it's not profitable.
Oh,
Do real
okay.
estate, you get money. Do some kind of government job, you get money. So why you have to trouble yourself? It's the mentality of people.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You're right.
But if you take countries like USA, if you go to market, you find, for example, you take tomato, you find 80, 90 varieties. Correct?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
When
That's
you come
right.
to
That's right.
India in the summer season or in season, you hardly find one or two varieties.
Yeah, yeah,
There are
yeah,
people to
yeah,
eat, but there are not people to produce that. Because
yeah,
everyone
yeah,
is in a hurry to make money, more and more money. So people are really
yeah,
have become very, very, I mean, the thinking has become very bad, in fact. They think that the money is forever, they are going to live forever. See, in fact, we have come onto this earth as guests. So,
yeah.
like guest only we have to leave and we have to go away from this earth. But they really
Mm-hmm.
think, even you take a person who is having 80 years, if I say them, I'm going to give some 2 crores or 3 crores, the person comes running like anything. Any moment the
Yeah,
person can die, but he's hungry of money. So this is a mentality. It's psychologically people are ill, in my opinion, Mansoor.
yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right.
This attitude should change. Of course, money is required, but how much
Yeah,
we need, that much only we have to earn. And second thing is gold. People are buying a lot of gold. What they do with gold? It's simply blocking money. Correct or not?
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's right. That's
So
right. Yeah,
money,
people.
ornaments are simply blocking money. Even buying independent plots is also blocking money. Construct houses,
Yeah,
make use it properly, but not like that.
yeah,
Today, if you have 1 lakh rupee, you buy a piece of land in Hyderabad city. After 10 years, you want to get 1 crore for that. What you
yeah.
contributed to society? No contribution, but still you want to get 99 lakhs just by investing 1 lakh. This is the mentality people have.
Mm-hmm,
It's
mm-hmm.
absolutely wrong
Yeah,
or not?
yeah, yeah,
If
yeah.
you
You're
if you
right.
do something for society, suppose you contributed something, you expect out of it, but you don't do. You just buy one piece of land, that to black money, you are making it black. After some time, you want to earn money so much, that to many fold. You invest 1 lakh, 99 times you want to get money, 99 lakhs profit you want to get for doing nothing to society. Why society should give you?
Yeah, yeah. That's the easy way.
Everywhere it is. So these people actually they are spoiling others also. One after another they have gone in that way. This happened with the government employees particularly. Of course they get some better amount. So what to do with that better amounts? If you are in need, government should give you. Simply if government is giving you, you spoil it totally. You're spoiling total society.
Yeah, that's right.
This is happening.
Yeah.
This is see no harm directly. It's not any crime, no harm like directly, but indirectly they cause immense damage to society. It has happened in recent times.
Yeah, yeah,
People are not
yeah.
realizing that, people are not thinking about that, Mansoor. This pains sometimes. Even so-called educated also, highly educated also, they never think in this angle.
Mm-hmm.
If they think really,
Yeah.
things can be better. You have to live, your fellow human being also have to live. It's not only meant for you. So you live and you also let live others.
Yeah.
Right? How in our life, when do we enjoy? Normally, something like from 30 to 40 years, only 10 years we enjoy. Again,
Yeah.
after 55, we may enjoy. Correct? So,
Yeah, yeah,
something like 15 to 30 years, we struggle for studies, then we struggle for job. Then after that, between 40 and 50 only, you may enjoy. Sorry, 30 to 40. Again, after 40, you have responsibilities, family responsibilities, your children grow up, you have to take care of them.
yeah,
That's again responsibility. So, up to some
yeah,
55 years, you may struggle like that. Then after 55 years again, few years only you live, 10 years or 15 years. Okay, so
Yeah.
you live peacefully, your life is very short. Why you're after all these really? Of course, for living, for wearing better clothes, to live better life, you spend money, no problem. But why you're blocking money totally? Why you're making unnecessary things? This is the problem. People are actually not understanding this. When they understand, the society can be very good, the world can be very good, Mansoor.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
This really pains me a lot.
Exactly.
Every time I think about it. So people say, why you bother about that? Why you think? But somehow I don't, my mind does not accept all this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So now let us look into uploading a file. Let us try to upload file. We have downloaded. Let us try to upload a file this time.
Okay, okay. So upload the file. So we go to
Yes, uploading a file with MVC application. Now in the same thing, you can make file uploading.
same thing here.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, but this time we not need a but you need a button on that, right? To
Again,
click on
you require a
upload file.
view. You require a view. Even here also view is required. Using that, you have to do it.
Okay.
So try to write there. Create a view, file uploader. File uploader.
Yeah, yeah. I create. Yeah, I just go there with my Windows.
So here itself one more action. No, no, no. It should be same application. In the index itself, try to say a new controller called as upload file.
Yeah, I'm just.
Sorry, not controller, a view. Try to, sorry, action. Try to create a new action called as upload file.
Yeah, I just. My window is, I close it. I just give in my window.
Just go to the view, click on the view, go to view. Yes, click on the solution explorer, you get now.
Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, yeah, I'm just looking for. Okay. So I go to view, up
Yes.
and new.
No, no,
I
not view.
go.
First of all, go with the controller.
Okay, control. Yeah. Okay.
Home controller. Right here, upload file. Right click on the home controller. Sorry, controller you open. Yes. No, 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 no. Not, don't add controller. Already control is available. In this, write the method.
Okay. Okay.
Expand that. Here write. First write public action result. Action result. Upload file you write. Action result. Upload file. Action result. Give a space. Write upload file. Upload file. Start and close bracket. Just write return view. Return view. Okay, semicolon you put. Fine. Now come to the views. In the views, try to create.
Upload file.
Yes, same view. Whatever controller name, whatever action name you gave, with that only you must create.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What is the name you are using in that? What is the file name you use? What is the action name you have written? Upload file, correct?
Yes.
Upload file that is.
Yeah.
So This is the code inside that you have to keep. I'm sending you some code, then try to put in that.
Okay, sure.
The chart window, I paste it, you can put that.
Okay.
Copy this, whatever I gave, and try to paste. Overall on the top, overall everything, Control A, and on that you paste it.
Okay.
Whatever I copied and pasted, so just try to, you copy and paste in this. So on the top, whatever you have, you can remove that. At the rate view back title, you remove that. Remove that. Yes. Now upload
This
file
one?
H2, and on the top also you can remove that.
This one.
Yes, that one also remove.
Okay. Few.
So it is part of which controller? Home controller. Upload file is a method you have written. So like this, you have it. Now come to the home controller. Come to the home controller. Okay. Come to the home controller. One more method you must write. I show you, I give you that code. With that code you have to do it.
Okay.
So this should be, in what folder you put it? In content folder. What is that? Upload files, is it?
Yes. Upload. Yeah. Upload file. Upload file. Yeah.
So into that you have to put this particular thing. This is the method as it is, you have to put. Copy this and paste.
Where is that?
I'm
In
giving
the chat
code.
window?
I copied and pasted one more set of code. Copy that. Totally you copy.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, paste it.
Here.
So file name is what here? It is not index, put it as upload file. Here change the index, try to put upload file here. Yes, yes, in the place of index, yes, try to put the upload file. Only index place. Only in the place of index. Put upload file. Yes. Now go to, is everything fine?
No, its path is missing here.
String
The
path
path
equal
is not.
to, this is not available. Reason, you haven't added. Go on to the top of the file. Go to the top of the file. Above that one, right there, using system.io. Using system.io. IO you put. Semicolon. Now try to make it running.
But okay.
See, one more point you remember. You have to put in the this one, layout.
Where is that?
Layout. Where is layout? How you upload otherwise file? Where is how you get the
Yeah.
link for that? You have to go to layout
Yeah.
folder. Sorry, in the layout file you have to put it.
Yes.
Where is layout file?
Yeah, I'm going here. Layout.
Yes, here. Where is the link? You need to put a link here. What is the link you put here? This is what upload file right there. First you change the name, not Paris tag. Upload file. Upload file. So file, in the place of file download, what you put there? It is upload file. Capital F. Home controller. Like that. Now try to run.
Okay. Yeah. 1 second.
Just click on that. Upload file.
Yes, we have.
Click on browse.
Yes, now we go
Try to choose an image which is not available. the image which is not existing, try to upload.
Okay, yeah, it's image.
The Paris and
If I
Waterloo
put
you have there. Don't take anything from this. No, don't take anything from this. Try to
New
use different
Delhi.
image. Okay. You
Okay,
don't have this New Delhi. I think New Delhi is available there. Try to use some
okay,
different image.
okay. Check that.
You can take some image
Uh,
from this.
okay, I check this one. Okay,
Click on
open.
open.
Upload image.
Upload image. It's uploading. Could not find the
Error.
part of the path. IMG. This is tilde 1009.jpg file is not available. It is saying here.
File is not
Where is the
available.
problem?
No.
So just open the content folder. Open the content folder. Show me the path of that.
Okay.
In the content folder, what is the path? Just uploads only. You put uploads in that, not upload files. It is upload only. Open the action. You go to the action in the home controller. You have an action. Just now we have written. Go to that. Upload file. Open that. No. I'm talking about the controller in the home controller. Open that. Here, see
Yeah.
in the bottom. We have written twice. Download file. Download. Not file. Download. Upload file. See the upload file, you have just upload folder, not upload files it is. Take upload file only, upload only. Delete files. Delete the files. You have only upload, folder name is upload. Correct.
Uploads. It's uploads.
Uploads, yes, uploads.
Yeah, uploads. Okay.
Now try to run.
Okay.
Click on browse. Now choose the same image. Click on open. Click on upload image.
Yeah, now successfully.
Successfully uploaded. Just look at the code, how that is written. We have same action there. Upload you have 2 times. This is called as method overloading. But first one is what? It is returning view. Second one is also returning view, but this is accepting here a post, HTTP post attribute you can use on the top of that. Because the file is getting the form is posting to this particular action. It is sending to this action here. Where we have specified this, you can open the code. In the code you can find that. In the view you can find that. In the upload file view you find it. See, go with the upload file. See in that.
Okay. Upload file. Yeah.
Yes. Upload file view. I am talking about view.
Yeah. Okay. Upload file.
In that view you find
This.
here what is written. Using HTML begin form. Upload file is what? It's going to be a action name. Home is the controller. Form method is post, and this is what encoding type is what? Multi-part oblique form data. Correct? See, HTML begin form, upload file, home, form method is post, encoding type is multi-part oblique form data. Like this, you are uploading the image there. You are uploading the file.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This is as good as actually the HTML also. Sometime back we uploaded file. We kept there form tag. Then method equal to what you write, post, then action equal to, you gave file name there, encoding type equal to multi-part oblique form data we have written. So like that it was working, correct?
Yes.
This way it is.
Okay. 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 But the file comes here, right? In the upload folder, right?
Yes, it's coming in that. For that you have 2 different actions. You see one more action in that. There are 2 actions.
Okay.
So when you come to the home controller, you have 2 methods. Come to the home controller once. Okay. First upload file. It is going to render view. Go up in that. Go up on the top. See, you have upload file. It is going to send you view. Then second upload you have here. See, second upload also you have upload file. This is accepting posted file.
Okay.
Understood your difference?
Yeah, this goes to the view, but this is the action which
Yes. It is
done
actually
with the
uploaded file. Then after that again
yeah.
same view is rendered there. Same view is rendered. In the view bag you are keeping message there. View bag dot message you have there. Once again come to the view there. You come to view. You come to the view. See in the view it is written at the rate view bag dot message.
Yeah, this one here.
It is, if, when the file is not uploaded properly, it gives message. Once again come to the home controller. Home controller you come there. So here it is written, see, if you have any exception, if file is uploaded, file upload successfully you get. See, if any error is there,
Yeah.
it shows error. So similarly,
Yeah.
viewback.message, you haven't specified a file like this, it gives message. Now once again try to run this, run the application once again.
Yeah. But the file is not showing in the upload, right?
It's showing, why not? You just refresh the folder, you find it.
Oh, okay.
In the uploads folder you find, refresh the folder, you find that. Upload file.
Oh, okay.
Now click on the upload image. 1 minute, don't browse anything. Just cancel it and upload image you say. Upload image, you click on that.
Yeah, because you're right there is null.
Haven't specified a file, it's giving message.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
go to the, stop it from running, go to the upload folder and see what files are available in that.
Yeah, I refresh it.
Refresh that. You cannot refresh, go on to the top and refresh. On the top you have a, like this, see, click on that. Click on that. Minimize that first of all. Upload folder you minimize. Just now try to refresh. Go on to the top and refresh.
Yeah. The file is not here.
The file is available in that. File should be available to you. You need to refresh. Go to right click there. Right click. See here. In this, what you do, browse open folder in File Explorer. Here last second. From the last second option, open that.
Yeah, it's there.
Yes, that's what. File name is much bigger. Because of that, probably it's unable to render.
Oh, okay.
File is getting rendered. That may not be seen there. It's getting rendered.
Yeah, it's
So
uploaded.
today you have downloaded file, uploaded file. You have done two things, correct?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So further tomorrow we do with more, but try to practice all these.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I will. Okay. Thank you.